Hi there. If you're about to plan a wedding, whether it's your own special day or that of someone else, then I have some groundbreaking information you must hear. You are about to discover the critical ingredients you need to have to plan your dream wedding. However, I have to warn you that this short video will not be online very long. So be sure you watch it all the way to the end, as it might even be removed by the next time you visit this webpage. My name is Julie White, and I have many years of experience as a wedding planner and writer. Do you have a lot of questions that need answering when it comes to planning your dream wedding? What do I do first? Who does what? How much does it cost? Who pays for what? Who do you invite? How many bridesmaids is too many? What are great ideas for wedding favors? How shall we decorate the tables? Who should be doing speeches? How do I communicate with the photographer to ensure that I get all the family photos taken that I want? What if I have a small budget to work with? What do you do if you have divorced parents that can't stand each other? What if your future spouse wants a religious wedding and you do not? These are just some of the many dozens of questions that I hear from people every day as they come to me for advice on how to plan their wedding. As most know, weddings are a happy time, but can also be very stressful for all involved. Do you want to plan your dream wedding like a professional and save yourself valuable time, money, and prevent unnecessary stress? Then you have to hear everything I'm about to share with you. It's that important. Do you also want your wedding to run smoothly with little or no stress for you and your partner? Many of your friends and relatives tell you not to worry about what goes wrong on your special day, because inevitably there will be the odd blunder. But does that really fill you with the confidence you need and reduce your wedding stress? Personally, I haven't seen too many weddings where there are massive disasters, but I have heard of dozens of weddings where they just didn't go as well as they had hoped. Don't let yours be one of them. By taking time in advance to really plan your wedding, you minimize risk of something going wrong. But it's not just the obvious stuff. It's all the bits and bytes that go into creating the perfect wedding. One of which is how much do I spend? But don't worry, I'm about to give you all the tools you need to have the dream wedding. Many things can go wrong on the day without thorough planning. Do you want a nasty surprise on the day? Something you hadn't planned for? For example, what if you have uninvited guests? There's nothing worse than having to ask someone to leave. What if the cake doesn't arrive or there isn't enough to go around? What if the flowers delivered are the wrong ones? What if you spill something on your wedding dress? What if the ring gets misplaced? What if members of the bridal party are late? Listen, I know there are a lot of what ifs, but these are all real things that have gone wrong at weddings. You want your wedding to be smooth sailing, right? Of course you do. How do you avoid these situations from happening to you? Don't worry, these situations can be avoided, and here's how. I am giving you the opportunity to plan your perfect wedding with the Master Wedding Planning Guide. This will guarantee you the successful wedding you've always dreamed of. I designed this step-by-step guide to be easy to follow and simple to use. It's jam-packed with everything you need to know to pull off the perfect day. With this guide, people will be talking about your wedding for years to come, for all the right reasons. My Master Wedding Planning Guide will teach you how to plan your wedding like a professional wedding planner, so you can organize everything and be as prepared as you can be, while still having that once-in-a-lifetime wedding you've always dreamed about. This is truly cutting-edge material. Do you want to plan your dream wedding like a professional and save yourself valuable time, money, and prevent unnecessary stress? Then you have to hear everything I'm about to share with you. It's that important. You will also discover the hidden secrets that are normally forgotten in most wedding plans. What's more, this wedding planning guide will show you exactly how to put on a great wedding on a budget.